In just a matter of days, the deadline will have passed for most Americans to sign up for health care under the Affordable Care Act.
While the Obama administration has extended that deadline for people with special circumstances, they're still working hard to try to get as many people as possible to sign up.
But as our national correspondent Christine Frizzell tells us, that final push has a hefty price tag attached to it.
So you have to find what your passion is.
They're some of the biggest names in basketball.
I'm LeBron James.
And off the court, they're part of a new ad campaign to sell the Affordable Care Act to the public.
Find out how you can get lower monthly payments as part of the health care law.
Enroll today so you can stay in the game.
According to recent reports, just in the last 3 months, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services will have spent $52 million advertising for Obamacare. That's about $17 million a month. Or if you take signups in January, which were just a little more than 1.1 million people, that means it cost about $15 per person in advertising dollars.
$15 doesn't sound like a lot of money, but when you start talking about tens of millions, even billions of dollars for the website, for advertising, it really starts to hit home, and this is just the beginning.
David Williams with the Taxpayers Protection Alliance says taxpayers may not like the fact their money is funding a huge Obamacare ad campaign.
This isn't Coca-Cola or Pepsi. This is the government. This is health care. They shouldn't be advertising. And people aren't going to decide whether they want health care like they base their decisions on soft drinks or cars.
Supporters of the president's health care law are calling the new ad campaign a slam dunk, especially since the target audience here, young people, are at the heart of making sure the Affordable Care Act is actually affordable.
This is to let people know they have life-saving aid available to them. How can we not afford to pay a relatively small amount of money to make people know that they can save their lives?
Protect your health. Enroll today.
As the clock ticks down, the Obama administration is hoping the final push will pay off. I'm Christine Frizzell, News Channel 9.
And according to the White House, more than 6 million Americans have now signed up for private insurance under the Affordable Care Act. There were over 1.5 million visits to healthcare.gov on Wednesday. 4 days remain to get signed up.